Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm super excited to share today's project with you. So, my buddy John has been looking to maximize the space in his spare room. After some brainstorming and referral from a friend, he decided to tackle a DIY Murphy bed. John started with the Murphy bed hardware kit from Easy DIY Murphy Bed. This hardware kit made the whole process smooth and very manageable. First off, he got all the materials ready from the local hardware store, plywood, wood screws, and of course, the DIY Murphy bed hardware parts he bought from easydiymurphybed.com. He began by cutting the plywood to size. The cut lists included with the hardware kit made supper easy and quick. Precision is key here, folks. Remember, measure twice, cut once. Then, he attached all the hardware parts that come with the Murphy bed kit to the lumber parts. Then he assembled the bed parts as shown in the guides and videos. The great thing about the Easy DIY Murphy bed kit is that it comes with detailed visual instructions and online videos, so John didn't have to guess anything. Next up, he installed the folding legs and the easy lift pistons. This is where the magic happens, turning a regular room into a space-saving marvel. With a few added steps, the bed was effortlessly folding up into the wall. The guest room now has a sleek, comfortable Murphy bed that's both functional and fabulous. The best part? John did it all himself, saving tons of money compared to buying a pre-made Murphy bed. Plus, he got the satisfaction of creating something awesome with his own hands. So, if you're looking to make the most out of your space, consider a DIY Murphy bed project. Oh, and did I mention? The Easy DIY Murphy bed hardware comes with a lifetime warranty, is made in the USA, and comes with top-notch customer service. Hit that like button if you enjoyed this transformation, and don't forget to subscribe for more inspiring DIY projects. Thanks for watching.